Hi guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port. Today I will tell you regarding the bill of lading. So what is the bill of lading? Bill of lading is a document which certifies that the certain cargo is been shipped into a ship or it has been loaded into a ship. So it is a bill of, you can say, loading itself. It is an lading, bill of lading. So this how it go get its name, bill of lading. So bill of lading is issued by any shipping line. Okay. And it has the bill of lading types are the master bill of lading and the house bill of lading. Master bill of lading is an bill of lading which is given by the shipping company, and the house bill of lading is the bill of lading which is given by any forwarder, freight forwarding company. So both bill of lading document is an valid document to release the cargo at any destination port when the cargo is reached at the destination. So this is all about the basic information about the bill of lading. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.